Hi and welcome back to Learn Music Theory for ABRSM Grades 1 and 2. In this video we're going to take a look once again at what we saw in the previous presentation. So we're going to take a look at how to change between sharp, flat and natural, how we can write them, and also we're going to take a look at any difference in sound. First of all, let's take a look at how we write and change between them, just as we explained in the previous presentation. That's the note A, and now I'm going to write an A flat. Notice how if I write another A flat after it, it doesn't have the B symbol or flat symbol before it. This is because the flat lasts until the end of the bar. So this one and this one are both flat. If I want to make this one a normal A or an A natural, I need to do that. And then doing that again renders no symbol because this symbol applies until the end of the bar. So this symbol applies until the end of the bar, but we cancel it with this symbol, which then applies until the end of the bar. And this one, of course, simply uses the same symbol as the one before it. Let's listen to this. So indeed you agree that these two have the same sound. Now let's take a look. If we lower this note down to a G, notice how now the natural symbol has moved onto this note because no note has it before it. And this one is now a G. Let's listen and see what this sounds like. This note is between A and G. It's right in the middle. So I would describe this as a smaller gap between A and A flat than between G and A. Between G and A we have one tone. Between A and A flat we have one semitone. So it is a smaller gap, even if you cannot notice it right now. After some time training, you will be able to notice it. Let's try again with some different notes. So I'm going to simply make some of them sharp, some of them flat. And you're going to notice something very interesting. See, these two notes are going to be the same note. Which is interesting because they're written differently and they have different names. This is C sharp and D flat. However, they sound the same. And these ones are also really interesting because these two notes sound the same as these two notes. And that is because the distance between E and F is one semitone. Therefore, E sharp, which is a semitone above E, is the same note as F. F flat is the same note as E, and therefore this sounds as E, F, although technically it's E, E sharp, F flat, F. This is all I wanted to cover in this video, so thank you for watching, and in the very next one we're going to take a look at finally what that key signature is, what that C major is, and how we can change it, and why it changes and what it means. So stick with me and let's go into the next one.